Every day, in every part of the world, millions of people strive to improve their wellness because they want to feel good in their own skin, because they want to unlock the best version of themselves, because they want to live their best life. That's why, in every part of the world, millions of people reach for their must-have shake, their good-for-you meal replacement, their go-to protein boost, their feel-good fuel. There are many brands in the world, but only one brand can be number one. Is Herbalife your number one?